Well, that's a bummer.
Studios head honcho David Maisel. Is that how you pronounce his name? Maisel.
How are you going to get? Yeah, how are you going to get any rest if you keep doing this?
And being cheap when it comes to making. I want to say his name properly so I can tie his name in.
Oh, yeah, you can.
Skipping.
There it is. It's on the surface.
Having trouble with this deal.
Nice size.
For the sequel, we're hearing that there's a very, very strong chance that unless Maisel changes his mind,
won't hurt.
You'll have a better.
Hang on, Ted. Hang on. Bring it over here, Ted.
Titanic 2. Wow.
Don't you know how to catch little fish?
Released in April 2010.
I'm sorry, I didn't throw it back?
Later. When you catch a bigger one, we'll throw this one back.
To get it done right.
Yeah, finally Robert Downey Jr. signed on to star in a movie called Cowboys and Aliens. I was telling you guys earlier. It's going to be released in 2010.
You know, you guys are averaging about 2 pounds.
Production of the Iron Man sequel.
I think this is just too big.
No, I don't think so.
He was deeply involved with the first installment's development, so when he follows, stay tuned for that.
Yeah.
I'll let you know.
Yeah, it's one we learned. The director of the first Wayne's World movie was no fan of Mike Myers. Her name is Penelope Spheris. She says, I hated that jerk for years. But when I saw Austin Powers,
I don't think.
called him and said, I forgive you, Mike. You can be moody.